Okay, we're in the Sampaloc area, Manila, via Quezon Boulevard. Approaching, we are approaching UST, University of Santo Tomas, and that is Magsaysay High School. So there's the traffic along Quezon Boulevard. This is the intersection of Lawton Avenue and Quezon Boulevard, and that right there is UST, one of the oldest universities in the Philippines. And this area is called the University Belt, or the U Belt area, where most of the famous universities in the Philippines, Metro Manila, are located. It's the UST ground where I learned my Filipino martial arts from Grandmaster Ernesto Presas. As you can see, at almost 6 o'clock in the morning, there's already heavy traffic along Quezon Boulevard. Though not that heavy, but traffic is beginning to build up. We're approaching Maraita, or popularly known as Lerma. That's FEU. And this is where I spent my college days. Approaching the Quiapo underpass. Those are the old buildings of Quiapo. This is Raon area. Old buildings of Quiapo. These buildings are They probably date back to the 1950s, after the Second World War. That's how it is in Metro Manila, in Manila. When you're a commuter, that's the life of a commuter, Philippines commuter. Right there is Quiapo Church, the historical Quiapo Church. Those are the herbal sellers over there, and that's Plaza Miranda. A historical Mercury Drug Store, and now we're about to pass over the MacArthur Bridge. Pasig River, and this is the MacArthur Bridge. And this is Plaza Lawton. And over there is the old post office building here in Plaza Lawton and Liwasang Bonifacio. City Hall over there. And that's a view of Intramuros in Manila. You see the walled city, the walls of Intramuros over there. That was built by the Spanish regime back in the 17 or 1800s. And as you can see, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and traffic is slowly building up here in this area. This road leads directly to Rizal Park, Luneta. See that jeepney? Overcrowded with passengers. This is Lagusnilad underpass. Okay, now that's heavy traffic. It's an everyday sight here in Manila. Okay, that's it for now.